The Strangest Secret is the most popular lecture by Earl Nightingale, which is available on YouTube. People who have listened to this daily have found themselves to become successful, because in this lecture he says that as you believe, so shall it be done unto you. We become what we think about. What is it that we think about all day long? That is what will define our success. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal or a goal, you may call it. That's what he says. Just like in Mark 9:23 it is said, if thou canst believest, all things are possible to him that believeth. So human beings, he says, can alter their lives if they alter the attitude of their mind. So when we have a clearly defined goal and it is ever before us, we will find ways to see it's on its success path. A clearly defined goal will keep our minds set on it and we will work towards achieving that goal. He says that our thoughts, whether positive or negative, will reap the harvest in an equal manner. He compares our mind to a field where the farmer does not care, he says, what seed is planted. You can plant a seed of corn or a seed which is of a poisonous plant. The land doesn't care. It's a fertile land and it does not care what kind of seed you plant. It will return whatever is planted in the equal proportion. There will be abundance of both the things, the corn and the poisonous plant. Just like that, our mind is also like a fertile soil, and the thoughts are the seeds that we plant in it. So what are the seeds we are planting daily? Is it positive or is it negative? The harvest will be the seed that you plant, and you water it daily by your repetition of the same kind of thoughts. And what will happen? You will get an abundance of that. So this is what he tells us, to be careful about the thoughts that we think all day long. And he gives us the example that things that are free, he says, we do not value. That is why, even though this mind is an enormous powerhouse of energy, we do not utilize it in the right way. It has got tremendous energy and we are in control of it. We can control the mind by controlling our thoughts and redirecting it in the way we want it. That will define our success. He also tells us to stop thinking of our fears and replace that with a more positive attitude of focusing on the goal that we have written. And he says, he gives us a 30-day test wherein we will permit our minds to only think and dwell on those thoughts which are positive and which are towards achievement of that goal. And he gives us a challenge to do it for 30 days and see the results. In case we fail, then you can continue for another 30 days. But this activity has to be done with a cheerful, positive mind frame. And that is what he tells us to do, and see the results that we will get. In fact, there are people who have seen tremendous results after doing this challenge. So let's get into it and see for ourselves. This is Judith signing out, and thanks for watching.